This is the best $700 gaming PC you can build in 2025. For the CPU we use the Intel 14400F. Great gaming performance without paying for extra cores. The motherboard we use is the MSI B760M, reliable, simple, and supports DDR5 out of the box. For memory we use Adata XPG Lancer. 16 gigs at 6000 MHz keeps everything fast and responsive. To cool the system we use the Deepcool AG400, quiet and keeps temps under control. The GPU in this build is the RTX 5060, smooth 1080p gaming and DLSS for extra frames. For storage we use Kingston NV3, 1TB Gen 4 NVMe fast boots and loads. To power the build we use an MSI 650W bronze PSU, safe and gives headroom for upgrades. And the case we use is the Esports Crystal X2, good airflow and clean ARGB. For $700 this build gives real performance without cutting corners.